welcome to another video. I'm on the London bus, hence why I'm wearing a mask, on the way to see a special convertible Ferrari. Right, I'm off the bus. Now the car should be somewhere here around the corner, but look what I can see there. Nice R8 Spider. I'm sure you can hear the car as well. Listen to that. Here we go. Oh yes. The new convertible open top Ferrari V12. That's why it's special. Thanks to the owner for giving me a nice drink matching the car. Nice and cold for this weather, perfect. Oh yes, listen to that V12. Oh, oh wow. That's amazing. That's why I said it's a special car. Because of the open top V12. Imagine this in a tunnel. It would be sick. Oh yes. Look at that cool passenger display. It shows the revs and everything, the speed. Oh yes. So classic London being stuck in standstill traffic. As usual. Barely moving. system comes in very handy with such a big bump. That is very entertaining, especially for the passenger. Listen to that V12, man. Nothing beats a V12. Not. Oh, yes. Nothing beats a V12. Sounds so good. And then you have sky to yourself. Yeah, such fun. The lift system is very handy in the London streets. So bumpy, so many speed bumps and stuff. But listen to that. Let's have a listen to that V12 again. This is such a nice sound. Oh yes. And the good thing about this car is that when it rains or if it's cold or you don't want the wind in your hair, you can put the roof up. Look at that. And it still looks beautiful. So there we have it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I know it's a bit of a mix of, I don't know, it's just the first day the owner picked up the car. Such a cool car, V12 with the roof down. You can hear everything. Imagine such a car in a tunnel at speed. Must be fun. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment what you think, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.